In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep video quality on Google Drive 2025 full guide. If you've ever uploaded a video and noticed it looks softer, grainier, or a bit washed out when streaming, the culprit is usually compression. The simplest way to preserve exactly what you shot, resolution, bitrate, frame rate, HDR, audio channels, and metadata, is to make sure Google isn't downsizing your uploads. Here's how to lock that in using Google Photos, which controls backup quality for media that also shows up alongside your content in Google Drive. Start by opening your browser and going to photos.google.com. This is where Google manages media settings that affect how your videos are stored across your account. Once the page loads, head to the Settings menu by selecting the gear icon in the top right. This is the control center for backup and sync preferences, storage usage, and most importantly, the quality setting that determines whether your videos are kept untouched or lightly compressed. Inside settings, look for the upload or backup quality section and choose original quality. This is the key step. Original quality preserves your videos exactly as they are. No recompression, no resizing, no bitrate changes. It's the option you want if you edit professionally, deliver client files, archive footage, or simply want your recordings to remain pristine. You may also see an option labeled Storage Saver, which reduces file size to save space. Avoid that if maintaining quality is your priority. A few important tips so you know what to expect. First, choosing original quality uses your account storage, so large 4K or 10-bit clips will count toward your quota. That's normal because nothing is being compressed. Keep an eye on available storage and clean up duplicates or unneeded clips if you're running low. Second, this setting applies to new uploads going forward. Videos that were previously backed up with a compressed setting won't be magically restored. The originals would need to be uploaded again if you want them preserved. Third, when you upload directly to Google Drive, the file itself isn't altered. Drive may create a streaming preview that looks softer to play smoothly in a browser, but the downloadable original remains intact. Original quality in Photos simply ensures that Photos-based uploads behave the same way, no changes to the source. That's it. With original quality selected in Google Photos settings, your videos will keep their full fidelity across Google's ecosystem while remaining easy to store, share, and download without any hidden quality loss.